Hello, friends. Ooh, I am looking crazy. Yeah, at least my pants are pulled up. Anyway, remember my video on the Diamond ProTech interior kit? Well, Diamond ProTech saw my video and they heard that I wanted all interior stuff. I've made it no secret that I think there is way too much for the exterior and there's not enough focus on the interior. So I want to be able to bring interior products, and that's what we have. Now, the last time that I used a Diamond ProTech product, I was gonna do it on this car. Well, it turned out that that probably wasn't the best idea with that particular coating. So they sent me this, and now we can do it on this. I can't wait. Anyway, if I have the chance, I am gonna do the interior coating on this car also. But what I want to do is vacuum it up, clean up the seats, and then I want to get started and do this leather kit. If I have time, I'll do the interior coating. If not, we'll do that on another day. Anyway, you probably remember some of the information that I researched on them. This is a Swiss-made product. Diamond ProTech has really refined their technology. They've been working on it to make it the best that it can be. This particular coating is going to repel grease and oils from seeping into the leather, and it will also give it hydrophobic properties for the next 12 months. So I can't wait to give it a try. So here we go. Alrighty, so this part of it is done. I got the seats done, and now we're gonna get into the kit. But before I can get into the kit, I need to, just for argument's sake, turn on the heat. Alrighty, friends, so let's get started. I hope you can hear me. Let's look at what's in the kit. It's not that dissimilar from the interior kit. Now, obviously you have your gloves, which are way too big for me, so I always put these in Dad's box. Then you have your little sponge to apply the coating. We have the body prep. This is to prep the leather for the coating, and I have a special towel for that. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then you have the coating and the nice little towel that comes with it. I actually like these. These are actually not too bad. So, for the body prep spray, I'm going to use a Mo-Towel. I really, really like the dependency of these towels. These towels are strong. They're durable. I'm telling you, these are the best. I don't know where Mo found them, but anyway. You know what? I still have body prep from the other. So I'm gonna use the body prep from the last one. Let's just not open a new one if we don't need to. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep. I'm gonna get the coating prepped, but I'm gonna prep this the seats one by one. I'll do my best to get you as close as possible because I really want you to see what I'm doing. And I want everybody to see the ease of use these coatings have. If it's easy for me, you can do it. Now this is a liquid, it's not a cream, so we're definitely, it's even got an expiration date, 12/25. So we'll definitely have to watch how we use this. It's got the little tip on it where it's not going to just pour out and gush. Let's get started. This does not smell like a big time coating. Now once the coating is on, it says to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes. It looks like it's already setting up, and then you will buff it off. It's really soft and slick. Look at that. It's just so slick. This towel is just gliding over. It's only taken about a minute to sit, and it looks so dry. I did this center console. Oh, it's so slick. When I washed it, it kind of became not sticky, but I mean, you could tell that it had a lot of resistance. No resistance whatsoever. Okay, let's keep moving. That did not take long at all. So kind of keep an eye on this. This is going to make this very hard to slide across. Even my towel keeps bunching up. looks pretty waterproof to me. Look at that. This one's been sitting about an hour, so I thought I'd see how it does. Alrighty, so the leather kit worked great. And I even tested a little bit of water on it, on the one that's been sitting, the one I'm sitting on. And what it did, the body prep made it tough to clean it because the towel we kept getting bunched up. But once I got this on it, and you can tell when it's ready because it's almost like the leather soaks it up and dries it up. And then you just, after a minute to 3 minutes, depending on the climate that you're in, just wipe off the excess and you can tell the difference. It is definitely slick. You can tell there is protection on it. But I really like it, and it was so easy to use. When it comes to coatings, I want easy to use. I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to spend all day on it. You know what I mean? But anyway, I like it. I like it. I think it did a good job. I think that it's going to turn out just fine. So let's put this kit away. I have a little bit more time left. I'm going to go ahead and put the interior kit on the front here. So give me just a minute. I have a clean prep towel. And for those who don't remember how this Diamond ProTech coating works, it's the same. Just want to use a line of it. It's pretty much dry. I'm just kind of waiting on the rest of it to dry. So slick. It repels grease and oil just like the other coating. It provides up to 12 months of UV protection and hydrophobics. Alrighty, friends. Sorry, I hope you can hear me. I'll talk a little loud. I'm done with the leather kit. I will show you. It is awesome. It's ready to use. It's easy to use. It looks like it's pretty waterproof. And I used it pretty quickly. I used the water on it pretty quickly. But it's looking fabulous. I'm loving it. Gotta give it again to Diamond ProTech, just saying. Now, because I had time, I went ahead and used the interior kit as well. And used it on the dash and all of that, which I didn't get to do because we switched cars last minute for this one. And it looks really good. I like it. I'll show you. Right here, you'll see it's looking good, looking fabulous. Diamond ProTech did a good job. I don't think they get the acknowledgement that they deserve. And I think a lot of that comes from the fact that when they're reviewed, it's reviewed in such a small way that there's no way to get a good feel of what you're doing with it. Is it easy to use? You can't find that out unless you're doing the entire car. Just doing one section, it may or may not work. It may not go on easy. There's all kinds of variables there. So I encourage everybody to give these a try. So I just got done using these towels from Home Depot. My son-in-law, Scott, brought them to me. They're really nice. They were really soft on the car. I didn't bring all my towels with me today, so I didn't have any extras to wash the car. But trying these, they did a wonderful job. I really like them. So if you get some from Home Depot, there you go. And thank you, Scott, for giving those to me, because I love trying out towels. Towels are my thing. I don't know why. It just is. My big day of doing a lot of detailing today, I'm thinking 5-6 hours. No, we're at 4 hours. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, today was the leather kit. Looks beautiful. I'm loving it. Too bad Dad has to put his chair back in there. But that's okay. Maybe it's going to make cleaning easier, and that's what I'm looking for also, in both of the BMW and in this car. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And Diamond ProTech, again, thank you very much for the opportunity. I really like this kit. This made those seats look really good, and they feel awesome. So thank you again for allowing me the opportunity to test out your products. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. I have an update. It's been 48 hours since I put that leather kit on my dad's Cadillac. And I had a chance to visit with him today when we went to pick up a car from the mechanic. And I asked him what he thought of the coating on his seats. Now, let me give a little bit of context. The first bit of context is him being in a wheelchair. You all know that. He does not have control of his legs. He has to slide from the wheelchair over to the car seat. Now, if we put something on there that is very, very slippery, it could hurt him. It could injure him. It could make things difficult with his hands, trying to stay on the seat, even though he has his grip gloves on. So I was very concerned about that, and that was my first question for him. And he said, no, they're really good, or they feel really good, and they're soft and not slippery at all. I really like this. Whatever it is, I don't know how it works, but it did a good job. So that is the latest update. I wanted to make sure that I gave you the information, or at least that little bitty update. The other thing is he said he loves that interior coating and is now on the BMW and the Cadillac. And he says it just kind of makes it look better. It's like it gives it a level look. And whatever that means, I don't care. He likes it, and that's all that matters. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And you know how it goes. Peace.